Hey guys, it's me, CoolAdam1668, and I'm doing a review of my cap gun. Here it is. Guys, I don't know if you can kill somebody with this. My brother is right here.
Hey guys, me, Nicholas7877.
Yeah.
I'm doing it. He's doing it on my computer.
Yeah.
He doesn't have one.
Yeah.
Well, he does, but he never uses it.
Yeah. It's right, smile. Well, guys, it's like a real cap gun. Look.
It is a real cap gun.
Oh yeah. Here's the bullets. They're white. It could kill somebody. I have the cousin. You should know him. Jeremy J. Strang. He had the BB gun. I don't know if he done a review of it.
No.
No.
I'll put the link in his channel under the video description.
Yeah. So, guys, these are down in Dollarama. Anywhere at Dollarama. I think it's only here in Marystown's Dollarama. That's where I go to get them. Where I live in Ron.
There's your mom.
Guys, we're having a hurricane. Yeah. It's windy. It's really windy outside.
Guys, can you see me in my cool chair?
He says this is his office.
Yes, I do. So doesn't look like a cool chair. Swings.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Yeah. Guys, this can come out. This thing. That's where you put your bullets in like this. I got a big pack, about 8 in it, or 10. You put it in. It gotta be holes where you put it in like this.
Did you move the monkey up on the flag?
What?
Did you move the monkey up on the flag on there?
Yeah. No, I didn't.
I didn't.
Somebody put it up there, Rob.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah. So, you guys. Right here is where you put it back in at. Right in this little thingy. And this is where, and it makes like this bang! Like that. That's how loud it goes when I shoots it.
And we're gonna do our shooting test.
Yeah.
We'll do your shooting test outside, okay?
Yeah. With the camera.
Yes, we can't use the webcam outside.
Yeah.
Well, after this video, we'll do the
Yeah,
shooting
guys,
test.
this can come out, I think.
Is that it from? Tell me when you're done your video.
Yeah. So, yeah, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and see ya.
Here, you gotta press this thing right here. You gotta press that red button.